Hello, everybody. I have another idea for you that I wanted to share with you today. The little circle embellishments that we have already done, I have a bump up for them. Do you know these little flowers that you can buy? I think I ordered mine on Etsy somewhere. I've had them for years, so I really don't know. But, these, you can also make them where they're layers. If you see at the top, I've got a little brad. So I have hidden journaling spots back up in here. This one has, if I can get it apart, there we go. There's actually 2 pages hidden up under there. And you could use blank pages if you wanted to. You could put a picture up under there. You could write a little note and then attach it down to your journal. This one also has little page up under there, and there's a little page up in there. See how cute is that? Just very simple, very, very simple. But it kind of looks like a flower embellishment, which it is. So if people don't know, you've got a little hidden spot. So let me show you how we would use that. This is one of my journals. Every now and then I have to keep one. I know I make a lot, but I have to keep one for myself every now and then. And let's see, I'm looking for a page. That page would do it. What you could do, you could put a paper clip on the back if you wanted to, and you could paper clip it to that page. If you did that, I would paper clip it from that bottom layer only. Okay, right there. So you paper clip it right there. Then you would close it. Well, it just looks like a cute little flower paper clip. But lo and behold, behind there is some hidden journaling spots. And you got a little tuck right here too. Okay, so there's a lot of things you could do. Let's see. How about we took this one, say for instance, and we glued it down just the bottom side, just right, say right here. So just glue like from there to there only. Leave the rest of it open so that we can still get into it. So that would look like this. All right, so that piece would be glued down. The rest of this would still open. See, you could still get into that to write or to hide something, but this becomes another little tuck spot. So anyway, guys, maybe that gave you some new ideas. And this journal is not for sale. Like I said, this is one I made for me. I'm actually keeping, but I'm going to show you something. This is done with embossing, black embossing powders. Let me see if you can see that. It's got a little shine to it. It didn't come out perfect, but junk journals are not meant to be perfect, so I'm okay with it. And then I just put that image onto an inked paper, and I put my corners, which I just cut these out. I put gold embossing on them and heat embossed them, and then I raised them up. See, can you see there's a little, see that little foam up under there? Then that's on top of the black sheet, which I did an embossed border on my Big Shot. And then I just took some gold gilding paste on my finger, and I just kind of touched those raised areas. Same way I did these 4 corners. Looks like I'm missing a bead right there, maybe. I don't know. And then on top of that, I've layered up some book pages and some cheesecloth and some vintage laces. This vintage lace that I also coffee dyed. I also coffee dyed this for my cover, and I put my eyelets all the way down and some leather strapping to do that. And this is just a faux leather cover thing. I didn't make that. It's just a piece. It's actually a piece of fabric. It's soft. It looks hard, but it's actually soft. And I just used that for my cover. So anyway, if you would like to see a walkthrough of this entire journal, just let me know about down below in the comments, and I'll do a walkthrough and show you everything I've done in this journal. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.